Hello my friends, so let's blend this uh, let's blend this image with this background. So I just copy this image and paste it on here, then I press Ctrl T and I make it like this. After that I go to this layer, this white layer, and I click on this tool. I don't know the name of this tool, but I click on it and click here. When I click here, my color change to this image color. So after that I go to paint bucket and select my white layer and click the layer. So now we have this little line, so we need to remove that line. To do that, we have to go our image layer and click add new mask. Add new mask, and after that click on this brush tool and change color to black. After that you can press Ctrl and right click your mouse, then you can go up and down. When you go up and down, your hardness of that brush will be reduced and increased. Also when you go left and right, the size of brush will be changed. So let's set hardness to 40 and size is okay. After that click on this little line and click and remove it. So now it's gone. So it's there has that line has still has there, but now it's blend with the background. So this is how you use mask and blend the image with background. So I will see you in next video. Bye bye.